Okay, so today I want to talk to you about an astonishing and phenomenal arithmetic and mathematics resources, which you may know or may not know has existed since the 1850s. And now I have found them online, downloadable as PDFs, and therefore available to everybody. And these are Ray's new primary arithmetic as well as mathematics series. And considering these, so these, I've just printed a few pages, but these were published back in the 1850s, 1860s in the United States. And this is the first one, Arithmetic for Young Learners. And you can read the preface, and it will explain to you how the system works, but the methodology of teaching, and it also has suggestions for teachers there. The methodology of teaching arithmetic to children is phenomenal. It really is. I'm using that word quite intentionally. And the focus and the push on continuous practice for application, not for memorizing, for application, how you solve problems. So I've just downloaded a few pages there just so that you could see all the different sort of exercises that you have. It's just the beginning here. Learning to count, but not only that, learning to write also the numbers, not just counting. Oral exercises. So if you're a homeschooling family or parents, teachers, I would really suggest that you go and download that and look at the materials. Obviously the units of measurement are of that era, so it will be in imperial system or American system at the time. But here, next one, I'm going to show you another. There are a lot, but this is another version of it. This is more advanced. This is a new higher arithmetic. And it covers not only arithmetic, it covers also algebra, higher mathematics. But listen to this. It has a preface also for teachers. But what is really impressive with it is it covers everything. It covers everything. But at the start, look, the actual book begins with definitions. And this is what I bang on about all the time, definitions. And it actually defines each item in the most lovely fashion. So I'm just going to put it there so you can see. And you can look for yourself. And I'll show you the next page, which is also, again, definitions. So everything is fully clarified right at the beginning. And this is a type of educational method which is completely missing out of the schools at the moment, where nothing is clarified. And as I said in some other video, you know, students wanting to use dictionaries are accused of cheating by the teacher. So we have really phenomenal materials which existed. You know, no wonder we had such a boom in invention, in intelligent discoveries. Because this is how mathematics was being taught. And when you look at the materials here, this is not what our children in secondary schools are coming back with. When you think of that, and that was probably taught at primary school. I mean, I know some of the topics in here I actually learned at primary school when I was in France. It's back in the 70s. So here we go. Go and download Ray's Arithmetic. Go and look for yourself. Just Google it, Ray's Arithmetic PDF. And I'm encouraging, even if you haven't got children, I'm just encouraging you to go and just have a look at the standards and have a look at the quality of the materials and have a look at what was being taught at the time. This was before the rise of modern psychology and the rise of psychiatry. And this was what was being taught in school before education got thoroughly destroyed. And it was also consequent in terms of, parallel in time with the Prussian education system, which began to be instilled in Europe. So going by the dates of this, this is 1850s, 1860s, it does not look like the Prussian system had quite made it yet into America.